Hello guys, welcome to the Forex Simbu Trading, and this is Imran with you. How are you all? So guys, today I'm just going to post the first episode of the training the mind. Okay, so in this episode you will get to know the direction, because without the direction you can't do the trading properly. Okay guys, so let's go on the chart. So guys, here we are on the goal chart at 15 minutes time frame. So the main focus of this video is to build the direction. Okay, so I want to train your mind direction. I want to train your uh, the concept to see the liquidity, okay, in the real time. So guys, this is the chart of the goal at 15-minute time frame. Okay guys, see the gold here is coming from down, and you can see here it's showing the momentum from this side. So if you mark from here, okay, again when the market comes down to this uh, liquidity block, again the market showing the momentum, as you can see. Okay, so that means the liquidity is just down to this liquidity block. Okay, right here, this is the liquidity, this is the main liquidity. Okay, and this is the point from where the market is getting the good momentum. Okay, so guys, if we will see from here, the market fall from here slowly. Okay, here it do the liquidity sweep. Okay, and then the market comes down. Okay, so here the market is doing the consolidation. Okay, and then when market comes here, again it show the momentum, and then again market come here, you can see the momentum over here. So if you will see from here, the market fall from this point, that means the market do the liquidity sweep from here. So we can mark from here this point. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out from where the market will fall. Okay, so the market come over here, this is the final liquidity. Okay, if you see from here, this is the point, this is the point. Above this there is no liquidity left. This point, there is no liquidity over here. Okay, so from where we have to take the entry, first we have to wait where the market is coming. After has taking the momentum from this liquidity block, again the market is trying to go upside. Okay, here, and then when it has taking the liquidity from this level, that is the final liquidity, because above this point there is no liquidity available, already liquidity has taken. So we can take the entry to this trade from here like this. This you can take the entry, and the stop loss will remain here. Got my point? Because above this there is no liquidity available. Above this point there is no liquidity available. Okay, so this is the point and this is the entry point, and from here we can take the entry, and target will be like this point, because the liquidity is available to this point. Okay, you got my point? What I am trying to tell you, in goal at 15 minutes time frame. Okay, we have to find out from which direction the market will show the momentum. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to train your mind. Okay, to find out from where we have to take the entry to find the direction so that you can make the profit. Got my point? So this is the point from where the market fall. Got my point? And then after do the consolidation to this area, okay, the market was consolidated, and then after when come to this point, the market show the momentum here. So here most of the buyers got induced and they have taken the entry and they are thinking now the market will go up. Okay, so again the market come to the same level, again the buyers got induced because of these stop loss has taken, again the new entry has come of the buyers. Got my point? Now again the market gives the liquidity shift to this level because all the liquidity are here. Got my point? All the liquidities are here because this is the last swing, and above this already the liquidity has taken. Okay, so after the market has come to this point, okay, we have to do, we have to wait for the next upside come. Let the market go to the downside from here, and then when the market comes back, okay, from here, then we have to wait like this, and then we have to take the entry. Got my point? And then you will see the momentum, boom. Okay, so guys, how is this my video? Please like, subscribe my video and press the bell icon so that I can post more and more video for you. Okay, bye.